Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable notifications from apps and other centers in Windows 10 PC. For this, first click on this one Start button, then click Settings. Under Settings, select System. In the left sidebar of System, select Notifications and Actions. On the right, under notifications, turn off this one toggle switch that says get notifications from apps and other centers. Now uncheck all these three options. This will stop notifications from apps and other centers, and in case you want to receive the notifications, just turn off this one toggle switch that you have turned off. Just turn on and then check all these three options that you have unchecked on your Windows 10 PC.